Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and the car is stationary with the parking brake set. Locate the Bentley Flying Spur's central rotary controller and press the menu button to access the infotainment system. Turn the engine to accessory or start mode so the infotainment system powers the Bluetooth module. On your phone, open settings and confirm Bluetooth is discoverable for 120 seconds so the car can find it. Keep your phone within 3 feet of the center console to avoid signal drop during pairing. Select phone from the infotainment main menu and then choose Add Device to start pairing. The system will search. If your phone appears, select it on screen to initiate a connection. When the car displays a PIN, enter the same PIN into your phone exactly as shown and confirm on both devices to complete authentication. Choose to allow contacts and messages sync if you want call lists and text preview available through the car. Accept any prompts for media audio and phone audio so calls and music route correctly. Confirm the phone shows connected for phone and media in the Bluetooth list on the car, then test by making a call and playing a music track. If the phone does not connect, delete previous Bentley entries from your phone and retry the Add Device process from the infotainment. Reboot your phone and cycle the engine to accessory mode if you still experience connection issues to reset the Bluetooth stack. For persistent faults, check for a software update in the system settings or contact Bentley Service for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.